In sports, there's a concept called an Atta-boy play. It's where you do something that is fundamentally wrong, but your heart and athleticism and maybe some luck with the conditions help you overcome. So this example's from last night's Red Sox-Yankees game when Jackie Bradley Jr., who was on third base, he was a runner. He faked a step back toward third. Holder thought he could snap a throw over in time to get him out. Instead, Bradley immediately sprinted out of his fake toward home plate, where he narrowly beat Miguel Andujar's relay throw. So basically, this is an Attaboy plays because Jackie Bradley Jr. has done something that's really risky and probably fundamentally wrong. So if he was tagged out, or which would be the more probable outcome for this scenario, then the coaches would be talking to him afterwards. But really, they can't punish him because he was successful and he made it work, and that's why they call it Atta-boy. So what does this have to do with finance? What does this have to do with Forex? Well, in a way, retail trading, which in this case I'll be talking about Forex, is to be a small-time retail trader. It's like hoping for one of these Atta-boy moments. The odds are stacked against you. You come in with your small account size, limited access to deeper analysis, even armed with the knowledge that 90% of retail traders fail over a certain time period, and you're still hoping that you can win against the odds. If you look at Forex contests, which we're going to pull up an example here from my FX book, they exemplify this notion as well. So this contest that for the month of July that just ended is pretty incredible to me. So if you look at the winner of the contest, in just 24 trades, they managed to take their account from the starting capitalization of $10,000 to $110,864. That is an ROI, return on investment, of over 1,000%, which some people call a 10-bagger, and that's just from 1 month of trading. Another trader, the trader who came in second, took their account from the starting value all the way to $110,626 in 124 trades. It's amazing that both of these accounts came so close after posting such massive profits. I mean, they both took such a violent upward move. It's incredible that they both ended up so close to one another. But now we can kind of look at the reality of the situation. This opportunity for gain, it has to be contrasted with the reality of what happened to the rest of the field. So in this contest, there were just over 1,400 competitors, and only 8.3% of those accounts actually had profit at the end of the month. The ratio of winners to losers here is just incredible. I mean, it's like following the fate of like lottery winners in the years that after they get their winnings, and then they go and buy that Ferrari, and then a few years down the line, it's sitting up on cinder blocks in their lawn. So what does this have to do with me? Well, I've been on a pretty good run with my own experimental trading. However, I've since decided that it's time to take a break and that I need to take a step back and learn some more. So of the things that I really want to learn is really the ability to analyze my own discretionary trades. So I have a background in setting up trading algorithms, and so I've pretty familiar with some of the techniques that people use to analyze the profitability of mechanical trading systems. However, I think that this could be applied to myself. I mean, I actually was keeping a trading journal as to my rationale for my fundamental trades. So this is really going to be the next objective of my trading going forward. So even though I was able to make strong gains over positions over this time period, I can already tell without doing too much analysis that my position sizes on my trades were just too big considering my account size. And really, if you look back on it, I had my own Attaboy moment. I was successful despite my lack of fundamental soundness. So what I'm going to do is I want to see what I was doing right over these few weeks and work on the small things that will make me even more profitable, especially reducing the risk assumed by my positions. So in short, I learned to be a more professional trader with the way that I manage risk. And so the only way forward is to analyze my decisions in a more systematic way. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys.